How to add an authorized user on Wells Fargo. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily add your authorized users on the Wells Fargo Bank. First thing you're going to have to do is open up the Wells Fargo's official website. Now click on the sign on button to sign into your account. You're going to have to provide your username and your password to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you should see all of these options. Now you're going to have to go ahead and click on the credit card option to view all of your cards. And once you head over to the credit card section, you will find the option called Security and Support at the top right. Just go ahead and click on that. And from there, you will have an option to add a new guest user. So you can only assign a view-only online account access to the new user by completing the fields below. You can create a username and password for your guest user and then select which account you want to use for your guest user account. So you can enter their name, last name, email address, create a username and then password for them. Now here are some of the password requirements if you don't know. It has to be at least 8 to 32 characters with at least one letter and one number, fewer than 9 numbers. You cannot use these repetitive patterns. So once you've created it, the guest user will also be able to use your credit card account with the specific account that you choose for them. And that's pretty much it. That's how you basically add a user on your Wells Fargo account. If you found the video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.